Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to integrate Codex ChatGPT 5.3 in your ADA, the program that you used to code with Visual Studio Code or Google Anti-Gravity or anything that you are working with. So all what you need to do is just go for extensions, then go for Kilo Code, and then here you need to just install it. After you install that, it will get this new icon. You press it, then you will just drag here, and here guys you will go for settings. Okay, let's say just free models or something. So after you process to the settings, here you will type it as codex, create profile, and here for the gateway you need to type OpenAI ChatGPT Plus, and here it is ChatGPT 5.3 codex, and here you need to just log in with your account +1. It will redirect me to this one. All what you need to do, just I will connect here guys. I will show you all what you need to do, just to connect the to the account, and then I will choose the account that have plus membership on it. There you go guys. After you getting the account, you just press continue in order to keep the processing, and as you can see the green screen notification successfully. After that you just drop this, and here it is connected, it is getting well. All what you need to do, just you can change the models. So you just type, I will just let 5.3 codex, and you just let it like that. And that's it guys. I hope you like the video. All what you need to do later, all what you need, oh okay, cancel, just save. All what you need to do later, just go get back, and here you will change the profile in default and make it to codex, and here you go, choose whatever that you think that you need, and you will just use codex of ChatGPT 5.3 version. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Peace.